happy I got it. At the same time, it kind of makes me sad. I guess because my dad's not here to see it now. They get the car back though, but under horrible circumstances. He's like an uncle to me. And so it's bittersweet, you could say, I guess. Got the car back that my dad's been trying to get back for a long time, but There was one with that. Hi.
Hi. It was shaky at the start. I got bit by it.
It's home. It's finally home. It's bittersweet. It's been sitting since '98. And it's really not as bad as it could be. Yeah. Man, oh man. This is something else. I remember sitting here as a kid. I do. Man, it's a lot to take in. The engine's not here. I gotta go pick up the parts and pieces and the block and all that. My dad had built a 455 for it. This is his daily driver. Tri-Y headers and everything. Man. It's gonna need a few upgrades though this time. Feels strange to have it home now. My dad tried to get this car back several times. Well, I finally got it back. I've been trying to get it back for a while. Unfortunate circumstances that I was able to get it, but it's home now. And I got to figure out what to do, because this is actually going to interfere with all the rest of the projects. I do not have space, time, money for another project. But if I didn't get this car now, I would never see it again. Well, odds are I'd never see it again. I definitely never get the chance to own it again. Well, I say it again, my dad owned it. But it wouldn't have been in the family again, and well, I remember my dad picking me up from school in it, taking me to daycare in the morning in it. I remember driving from here down the backwoods through the country in it. Remember the old school cruise nights we used to have, and we used to cruise it. It was a lot. I'm glad to have it back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sort some things out, but at least I have it back. And this one ain't going anywhere. I'm keeping it. After all these years, ain't no way I'm letting it go.